Hi everyone, welcome back to the Anything Cook. I'm Kashmira. Today I'll be showing you how to make a nice hearty mung bean curry. We call it mug. This is quick and easy to make and it's perfect for meat-free Mondays. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, click the subscribe button and leave a comment in the comment section below, and let's get started. Okay, so let's look at the ingredients. I've got some ground green chilies here, half a lemon, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, Dhana Jeera powder, red chilli powder, 1 medium grated carrot, 1 chopped onion, 1.5 cups of Mung Dal that I've soaked for about half an hour to an hour, and 1 blanched tomato. And for the vinegar, we'll need some oil, some Jeera seeds, some Asafoetida Powder, 1 dried red chilli, and a sprig of curry leaves. Okay, so to a pot I'm going to add the mung beans and the carrot, and then I'm going to add about 3 to 4 cups of water. Boiling water is better because it will cook faster. So we're just going to close the pot and let this boil for about 10 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 10 minutes. I'm going to add our chopped onion. Then I'm also going to add my blanched tomato, but before that I'm just going to peel off the skin. The skin just comes away very easy. I'm just going to drop that into the middle, and then we're going to close the pot, and then we're going to cook it until the mung beans are soft. Okay, it looks like the dal is soft. I'm just going to take one out and feel it. So now we're ready to add the masalas. Before I add the masalas, I'm just going to turn it down to a medium heat. So here we have half a level teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Dhana Jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, some green chili according to taste, and a heaped teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, some salt to taste, and then we can just stir everything together. If you need to add more water, you can just add some more boiling water. And then I'm just going to press on the tomato. So now we're just going to simmer this and let it reduce a little bit, and then we'll check on it in another 15 minutes. Okay, so it has reduced a little bit and looks ready. So we're just going to remove it off the heat now, and we're going to make the vinegar, and then we'll put it back on the stove. Okay, so I have a small pan here on the stove. I'm just putting it on a high heat. I'm just going to add some oil. So to the oil we're going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of Asafoetida powder, one dried red chilli, and 1 sprig of curry leaves. Okay, so we'll keep this on the heat until the cumin browns a bit and the curry leaves become dehydrated, and when it becomes fragrant then we can remove it off the heat. Right, so we're just going to add the whole contents of the pan into the pot. Make sure you get all of this in because this is packed full of flavor. Right, so we're going to give it a quick stir and then simmer this on a low heat for 5 minutes so that everything can combine, the flavors can mix nicely, and then we'll be ready to serve. Okay, so before I close the lid while this is starting to simmer, I'm just going to squeeze some lemon into the pot. So you can use about half a small lemon or a quarter large lemon.